Wrestling. In the ring, we have Rachelle Riveter, the mom, and of course, Ruby Raze from California. I am KD, joined by my broadcast partner, Megan. Megan, how are you doing tonight?
Doing great. Really excited about this fight. How about you?
I'm going to be doing a lot better than either of these two are going to be in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, I feel like Ruby tonight is bringing out her inner Freddy Krueger.
Absolutely. She's become a very different person than what we've seen from Ruby Raze in the past.
Wow, scared her right out of her.
Absolutely. I didn't blame her. I've seen Ruby Raze in the past. I've been around Ruby Raze in the past. I've refed Ruby Raze in the past, and it is a terrifying situation. This new Ruby Raze is a completely different animal than anything we've ever seen. But Rachelle Riveter, ladies and gentlemen, back from for a little over a year-long hiatus. Meg, would you believe that this woman had a child just 6 months before this match?
No way. That's incredible.
Welcome to prime
Gotta
time.
get that workout plan.
She's in the best shape of her life, but she is about to go one-on-one with probably one of the fiercest competitors Respect Women's Wrestling has ever seen. Now, Ruby Raze's, her MO now has been trying to put people to sleep. Very apropos with the garb, but she's trying to put people to sleep now instead of just beating them senseless.
That sounds merciful.
We see if going for another sleeper. Rachelle Riveter just drops right out of it. Rachelle Riveter could stay out of the hands of Ruby Raze. She might have a shot here.
Gotta admit, Ruby gives me chills. She looks possessed.
Nice single leg drop kick there by Rachelle Riveter. Does not much to take Ruby Raze off her feet, and then the forearm. I think it just pissed off Ruby Raze.
Oh man, now she's in for it.
And that tells you everything you need to know. Ruby Raze, known as one of the hardest strikers in all of professional wrestling. Not just women's wrestling, but professional wrestling, period. And Rachelle Riveter just went wide with that backhand.
Nice punch to the back, too.
And now Rachelle Riveter is in trouble as Ruby Raze is just taking control of this match very early on.
I want to say Ruby is starting to look a little bored, maybe.
That hurt pretty.
Just stop right to the spot.
Can Rachelle get up on her own? Oh, that's nice of Ruby.
Ruby helping her up, but I have a feeling it's only going to bring her right back down. And you know what it was? The nice Beal across the ring.
There you have it.
Just sends her all the way across to the other side of that ring.
Oh, hit by the hair, too. That's so nice.
You hear these fans here in Oriental Theater, a lot of them are impressed. They're not sure what to make of Ruby Raze. This is not the same Ruby Raze they're used to seeing just about a year ago.
Oh, knocked the wind out of her with that knee. There you go, Rachelle. Cough it out.
Rachelle Riveter fighting to get back to her feet, but Ruby Raze going to help her back. Ruby Raze looks like she's going for a German suplex, but Rachelle Riveter would not let go of those ropes, and now Ruby Raze making her pay for it. I think she's got a chance to go right on the back of the head. I think she may have just accomplished her goal of knocking out Rachelle Riveter.
Yeah, she's moving. I think.
You want to die, Nancy?
Hard forearm right to the jaw. Rachelle Riveter sends her back into the corner. Now Ruby's just playing with her.
That's a message for the rest of the wrestlers out there.
Ruby Raze is definitely one of the favorites here in Respect Women's Wrestling when it comes to contenders for Ali Gatto's Respect Women's title. Oh no. And that sound of skin on skin just reverberating through the Oriental Theater, as does the shriek of Rachelle Riveter in pain.
She just want to hit all four corners now? Is that what we're doing?
I'll take her around the world. Oh, no, not enough. This is not going to end well for Rachelle Riveter.
We don't need to encourage this, folks. Ref, The ref is looking too scared of Ruby to really do anything. Just there to watch. Just like
there you see Rachelle Riveter, those right hands right to the jaw of Ruby Raze. Got to take control right here. It's the only opportunity she's got. Nice splash right into the corner.
There we go. That's the fire she needed. Uh-oh.
Oh, no, now she's got that rear naked choke in. Looks like she's got it locked in, but Ruby Raze is in the ropes. Rachelle Riveter is in the ropes.
Oh, man. I'm paralyzed just like Rachelle right now.
She cannot get the victory in this hold, in the ropes. Referee Izzy knows that, but I don't know if she's too afraid to do anything about it.
I see the fear. That ref is trembling.
See Rachelle Riveter. I think Rachelle might be fading. She's definitely fading.
Oh God, that hand's looking weak.
I think the only thing holding Rachelle up right now is Ruby Raze. Oh, wait a minute, Rachelle. She's got her, throws her off the second rope.
Oh, big sigh of relief there. Thought we were gonna watch a murder.
Now some more of those solid right hands right to the side of the head and the jaw of Ruby Raze.
What is this?
Like we said, this is the different Ruby Raze that we're not used to seeing. But Rachelle Riveter is not letting any second go to waste. She is going right to work on Ruby Raze. Ducks the clothesline. Kicks that arm away. Rachelle drops her down with a shot to the stomach. Here she comes.
Ooh.
Basement drop kick.
Okay.
Now these fans get behind Rachelle Riveter. Here she comes. Thez press takes her down, laying in those right hands.
Wowee. Let's go, Rachelle. Let's see if she can't bounce back. It's going to take a lot more energy, and I don't know if Ruby's really all that down and out.
Now Ruby, look at this. Ruby's the first one back to her feet after that onslaught by Rachelle Riveter. Nope, there we go. This is going to end terribly for Rachelle.
Oof. Yeah.
Got her by the throat.
That trash talking ended real quick.
Nice back elbows.
And fighting back. That's good.
Oh, look at that. Rachelle Riveter's going to bite her.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, when all else fails, Rachelle Riveter not afraid to fight dirty.
Referee, what were you counting?
Going for the cutter.
Oh,
but Ruby stopped it. And there it is again, that choke.
Oh, no.
She's got that choke. She's going to try to put her to sleep.
Oh, man. She's fighting, though. Oh, it's fading.
She's fighting, exhausting more energy to fight it. She could be putting herself out faster. Referee's got to check on it. Rachelle Riveter might be out cold. But wait a minute. Ruby Raze just let it go.
She's sleeping, Ruby says. Oh, man.
We did say that was the MO of Ruby Raze recently, was to put her opponents to sleep.
Oh, hang on.
Now Rachelle stirring. Well, if Rachelle Riveter doesn't do something, this could be the nightmare on 44th Street.
Oh, gosh, she looks pretty disoriented, though. Hope she knows where she is.
She's got the Queen of Nightmares waiting right behind her.
Ah!
Picks her right up. Oh, this is not going to end well. Not going to end well at all for Rachelle.
Ooh.
Right on her head with that pile driver. 1, 2, and a victory for Ruby Raze.
Wow. Undisputed there. Rachelle, she did her best putting up a good fight, but it was just no match.
Such a solid victory. Even saw our cameraman couldn't believe his eyes on that one. And Ruby Raze gets the victory over a very game Rachelle Riveter, making her return to Respect Women's Wrestling after over a year hiatus. Take nothing away from Rachelle, but you gotta believe that Ruby Raze has that championship in her sights.
Looks like Rachelle's gonna have to go back and check in on her baby, at least for another 6 months. Holy cannoli, what a fight.
What a match that was, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us here on Respect Women's Wrestling. For Megan, I am KD. Yeah, she got put to sleep real quick.
Nighty-night, folks.
Thank you for joining us on Respect.